Hey Sam. Guess what we gotta do today?
Film iCarly.
Yep, let's go. I'm Carly.
And I'm Sam.
And this is
iCarly.
And baby, Spencer's coming up since last week. We weren't able to do it because he was pranking us.
Yes, he was.
Yay! Yay! So baby Spencer, what do you think about being a baby? Oh! Sam, go get the salsa. We're about to feed you some of your delicious favorite food. And what is it?
I got the salsa.
Salsa! Oh no! No! Too bad. Give me the salsa.
Here you go.
I'm feeding it to you. No! I'm literally gonna throw up. Aw, dang, he puked. That's disgusting. Anyway. Pro!
Kylie, remember? Can we take a little break?
Okay, we'll show like a pre-recorded video. What is it, Sam?
Do you remember when I kicked Spencer in the chin?
Oh, yeah. You really had to interrupt the show just to talk about Carly. Just to talk about that with Carly.
Yeah.
Anyways, we gotta continue. We're back! My voice cracked.
Yeah.
What do we do? We're gonna go on the car. We're gonna go on the car right here. Guys.
What?
Random dancing. Sam, you didn't press that on your. Sam, you didn't press it on your remote.
I did not press that.
What's going on?
Is this remote broken or something?
I'm Carly. What in the world?
What? Okay,
What?
I'm sorry. Against the wall.
We love Neville.
What the heck is happening?
I don't know. We love Neville. Everything is like dark.
Wait. What did it just say?
It says we love Neville. We don't love him. We hate him. He tried to hack our website and pulled multiple times.
Maybe it's him. He might have
Carly, Sam, we just died. Our webcast just died. And everything went dark.
Oh no. Sam, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Who did this? I meant Carly. Sorry.
Did you just call me your name?
Yes. But do you think it's that dude?
Neville?
Yeah.
I think it could be Neville.
I don't even want to say his name.
He still wants to get his kiss from me.
Ugh.
I've told him a million times, no.
He is disgusting.
Yeah, that's right, Carly. You're mine.
What?
Freddy? We're not together. We're just buds. I knew that.
What?
It's 9 p.m. I think you should go home, Sam.
Sam, head home.
Freddy, you should go too. Bye, Carly. Bye. Do 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 do. So what do you think I should do?
I think you should just get this done and over with.
I don't want to. I don't want to kiss Neville.
Just do it. He's just gonna keep hacking the show.
I don't want to.
Just do it.
No.
Yes.
No. friends anymore.
Fine. Time to film iCarly with my enemy. Carly.
Sam. Stop fighting, you guys. What are you fighting about? Don't tell my brother to shut up.
I never told him to shut up. I told him to stay out of it.
Alright, guys, we're ready to shoot the show. I hope you don't fight. Don't even try.
Don't even try it.
Let's go.
You're boring.
You're gross.
You're stupid.
You're stupid. Guys, stop fighting.
Stay out of it. Ready?
In 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm Carly.
And I'm Sam.
And this is iCarly. Bestie, show what we're gonna do today.
We're gonna do Baby Spencer again. Why are you even here?
Why are you even here?
'Cause I can't be.
This is my house.
And this is my show.
iCarly is my show.
No, it's mine now. You are stupid. You are stupid.
Get out.
Fine. You can do iCarly by yourself.
Fine,
Stupid.
iCarly would be way better without you.
Stupid.
You're stupid.
You're stupid.
I'm Carly and this is iCarly.
Stupid. Bye, Carl, stupid.
Bye, stupid Sam.
Carl, stupid.
Sam, stupid.
Hello, stupid butt face.
Hello, trash.
So how is iCarly doing without me?
The show is doing good, just fine, Puckett.
Oh, so then you won't mind if I look at them. Aw, that's so sweet that they respect our opinion.
Yeah, that's good, because we're not friends anymore. I can't believe, I would regret all the fun times I've ever had with you.
So do I. Maybe you should just burn in a trash can where you belong.
Maybe you should do the same.
You belong in the trash.
So do you. And I would love to throw you there.
Shut.
Now you shut up.
You.
Carly, Shay, and Samantha Puckett, principal's office. For what?
You cannot make me.
For what? Why do we have to go to the principal's office? For yelling and screaming at each other in the hall. No!
I'm not going.
I'm not going.
Can't make us.
Fine, you guys don't want to come. Good.
Stupid principal.
Don't call me stupid.
I can call you whatever I want. Carly, are you home? Oh. Carly's not here. She must be on the whatever. Yeah, place that. Ring, 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 ring.
Hello.
Where is Carly?
She's homesick today.
That's suspicious. She wasn't acting sick yesterday.
I don't know. Somehow she went near someone and got sick. She must have went near Jeremy.
Okay. Okay, whatever. I'm coming over. Get that. Whoa, what is that?
sleeping in her room.
Okay, I'm going to go talk to her.
I wouldn't recommend going near her. She's really sick.
Did I ask for your opinion?
No, I'm just saying that I wouldn't recommend going near her.
Did I ask for your opinion?
No! Fine, you can go upstairs and see Carly. What? What do you want? Jeremy got me sick.
Germany, or whatever his name is.
The doctor says I should be better in about 2 days. See you.
I'll do iCarly for you.
Okay, thanks.
Yep. Goodbye.
Bye. I'm Freddy.
And I'm Sam.
And this is iCarly. Carly is actually sick right now, so she can't be here.
Yep.
So I will be filling in. Me and Sam will be filling in. Well, she told us that she's letting Sam be back on the web show.
Just until she gets better.
Oh no, she said she's letting you back permanently.
Oh, she did? I didn't hear that part.
Anyways, we're going to do Baby Spencer because Carly didn't give us any other options.